morning we're taking the car in to Scotty's Auto. We're going to get the light and flywheel on, one-piece drive shaft. They're going to put the plates on for the side exhaust. So we're just going to cap it off. I won't have any side pipes on the car. I think that's it. And one-piece drive shaft, if I didn't mention that already, as a reassemble. All right. So this will be cold start from inside the car. Windows closed. So we're here, getting some stuff moved around. All right, this is the radiator support from Steeda. This is supposed to save us about 10 pounds. And then we showed these pieces in another video. These are the pieces that are gonna go on my side pipes. So these are the spacers for the boss. This is the plates that go on in between the exhaust for the side pipes. This is what quiets them down. We won't have side pipes on. They'll just be capped with this and we'll be good. Okay, so we are going to add another mod to the car. I didn't anticipate this. However, the recommendation is because once they get the flywheel in, transmission's got to come out, clutch has got to come out. So we are upgrading to an 800 horsepower clutch, McLeod clutch in the car. And that's what we are going to do. So we'll leave it at that. Well, we don't have to worry about a new clutch now, right? We can hit it as hard as we want. And then future state, I'm in line for maybe boost, who knows? But it's not on a short-term agenda. All right. What's going on? How are you guys doing? Good? Oh, wow, I didn't even see that. Sweet. Whose is this?
Russ Allen.
350?
I think it's a 327.
Oh, okay. Looks good. How did I not even see that? I was focusing on you guys.
Yeah?
Yeah. I said to the kid, I said, watch all these guys run. Hey.
Kent done run away.
Kent, you're getting better. Huh? I say, you're getting better. Yeah. So I got a new part coming with the clutch, and that's the clutch cable. Instead of the plastic one, it's braided. Is this thing a bear for you? Or not too bad?
No, not bad.
We got some carbon. Looks like we're running rich.
A little rich.
Maybe that's why I lost a little top end. You think it adjusted for the open exhaust or what? And it's trying to compensate? I mean, I don't know. Would you?
I think it's just a tune issue. Have you had the tune changed since the open exhaust and everything?
No. Nope. Yeah, you're probably right. I should just get it tuned. All right, all the guys are at lunch, so they got the trainee out. That's the clutch over to the flywheel, the old flywheel. And then we got the new stuff here. Trainee's out. We're putting on the GT500 mufflers. We'll get a little back pressure back. And that's the whole reason why I'm doing that. This is all seat of the pants dyno. Since we put on those pipes, mufflers, which they're just open. So it's a through straight shot, like running open headers. So you got your headers through your X pipe, through your over the axle pipe, resonators removed. pipes exhaust. So since we put that on, I noticed a seat of the pants dyno, a loss in the thrill ride. Once you get into high 11s, you start getting a tickle in your stomach. And this car used to do that when it would hook up first, second, and third gear. It would just keep pulling and it would give you that thrill. Since I put on those pipes, I noticed I lost that. So I went from what was on there, a 90mm throttle body. I backed it back down to the 85, and that's where my tune was designed to. Now you can move back and forth between an 80 and 90 if you have a tune on an 85mm throttle body. So I have all 3 throttle bodies, and it's kind of plug and play, if you will. So what I'm gonna do is, once we get those mufflers back on, I'm gonna go back to my 90mm throttle body and test it. Trainee in, Driveshaft is in. That's looking good. That's pretty too, isn't it?
Does look good. Dragon bearing.
It's gonna wake up. I ain't gonna know what to do with all that power. The pinion was okay. Did you check it? Because I was clunking. I think it was that. I think it was that.
You'll hear back and forth, but you're up and down.
We're good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You got this, which you're going to have a little backlash, just very little.
Oh, yeah, that's better than before, though.
But you don't have anything
Okay.
up and down.
Good.
Which I do know Ted retorqued that last
Right.
time it was in.
Right, he did. He did.
So,
All right. Catch up to you later today. You think she'll be done by this afternoon?
working correctly and sounding good.
Right.
Everything is absolute torque to spec, exactly what they wanted. So.
Yes. So this is a hydraulic braided hose we switched from. The factory was plastic. This is the man right here.
What's happening, Rob?
Mr. Scott. This is the guy that knows it all.
Knows it all. That's why he's still
How you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. What you working on?
Quite a jet. Come from Nevada.
Oh, really?
So all the jets are different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This whole car come from
Pretty
Nevada?
messed up. Yeah, I guess
It
so.
looks solid.
Yeah, it's pretty solid. Needs a lot of detailing work.
Yeah, but no, it's real solid. And a convertible at that. All right, it's about wrap things up for today. I might come back later and check it out and see what's going on, but looks like we got another day getting the torque, Steeda torque brace boxes supports on, and then the mufflers, and we should be able to test tomorrow. So, see you soon. We are going to go check on Jason. He should be done. So we've added the McLeod twin disc clutch, McLeod billet aluminum light and flywheel, Ford Racing one-piece drive shaft. We have side pipes off as in the previous video, and we capped the side pipes with the stock plate with a small hole in it for sound. And we put on the Steeda torque brace boxes, and then we're putting the GT500 mufflers back on. That should we'll do a separate video on sound with that, because that'll be the first time with those mufflers with the pipes, side pipes closed, so it'll have a little bit different tone. We'll check on the car if it's working. We'll get some video of it. We'll check out how fast it RPMs. So, torque brace boxes don't align up to the holes. We didn't want to pound on it, try and get it to fit or weld it, so we're going to abort adding that on. And we're just going to get the car back on the hoist to give it just a once over. It's been test driven already, but we're just going to double check, and guys are real thorough here, so we're going to make sure everything's right, and then we'll see if we can get it out for a cruise. Check out how fast she RPMs.
Yeah,
take a video or something.
Hey, Ted,
Stupid.
What?
we have a question.
That ain't explaining nothing.
Oh, come on. You're on video right now.
I know it.
You don't. Okay, you can talk from the back.
What are we explaining?
Question is why is there two sensors?
Upstream and downstream. But it don't have cats on it anymore.
Should be running.
So
off
what
with
is
just
it?
the fronts now.
It's running off the fronts?
Yeah, with the tune that you have in it, you have a cat delete tune, so it'll be
Sensors
running.
probably aren't even reading anything.
The only thing this reads is to see how clean your cat is, cleaning your exhaust
Okay.
going out the back.
So question for fun, going back to stock programming, because the red key, it's tuned different. I've never used it, and it puts it to a lope tune. And I'm just curious, you know, about that. Could I, if I were to go back to stock program and run that red key, would I get a
Probably a check
You get a
engine light.
check engine light?
Yep.
But will it hurt it?
No.
No.
Okay.
It'll just say, hey, you're not cleaning
As
very
long as your
good.
tuning's not too far off with your headers and stuff, what you got down there.
If it is, what would happen?
Depending on how far off the tuning is, I mean, you could be, if you're leaning it out and
Too much, you could.
wrapping on it, you could be like melting pistons and stuff.
Right, and I don't want to do that.
No.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for your input, Ted.
Welcome.
Cool. She's birdie. Oh. Nice. I think I like the quietness. And it sounds good. Oh, hell yeah. You're right, it's got a...
It scared me.
Sorry.
That's okay.
It does have still have a bark. I like it better.
Huh?
I'm letting it out easy. It's catching perfect. Oh, that's nice.
How's it feel?
Feels good. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the angle I want with this, but we'll find out. All right. Excited. We'll take her around, get her warmed up, and then we'll hit it a little bit coming back.